Hi, it's Beck here from Sunbury Local Businesses, and I'm back here with Michael from the Sage Group. How are you, Michael?
I'm very well, thanks, Beck. Yourself?
Yeah, I'm great, thank you.
Good.
Look, we're coming towards the end of the financial year now, and that's typically a time for businesses to start reflecting on how well or how badly maybe they've been doing over the past 12 months. I hear that you've got a workshop coming up that could be of benefit to these businesses.
We do have a workshop coming up, and yes, you're right. Small business tends to have a look at themselves right now and think, well, how have I gone? Have I grown my business? Have I brought some more cash into my back pocket or into the family's pockets? Or have I freed up some time? So there's a lot of reflecting. So if small businesses have done well, fantastic. Keep doing what they've been doing. But if we find a lot of small businesses haven't achieved what they wanted to achieve, or they've had a little bit of a taste and want some more. So we say to small business, look, there's a couple of old sayings around that if you keep doing the same things over and over again and expect a different result, definition of insanity.
Absolutely.
And there's another one that if you want a different result, then you may have to be willing to do things differently.
Okay, so outside of your comfort zone.
Absolutely, and it's quite hard to get outside the comfort zone. So yes, you mentioned our workshops, and the 7 ways to grow your business workshops, and obviously we go over 7 ways to grow your business, but more specifically we look at what you need to do to build your business and grow your business. So you know, it could be a solid business plan, getting a great team around you, setting some targets, some measurable targets, and measuring those targets. So yeah, we will go through as well the 7 ways to grow your business.
Okay, so you're sending people away with some skills that they can use to move forward. It's not just a day of information, it's actually giving them skills.
Absolutely. We all go to sessions where we come out going, yeah, I know I've got a problem, but what are my next steps? So we're really keen to make sure that we not only teach and educate people, but there are a series of next steps that they can take to get what they want, whether it be, as I said, increased profit, increased cash, or increased time.
And that's exactly what all small businesses need, right?
Yeah, and a lot of us don't have that time or cash that we like to do in small business. So we're looking forward to running those events.
Fabulous. And if we want to sign up to this workshop, we can just get in contact with you guys here at Sage?
Absolutely. Go to the website, register. Love to see you there.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time today, Michael.
Thanks, Beck.